Yo, what's good, YouTube? We back with another one, you feel me? We got Chief Keef and Lil Yachty, Say My Grace, you know what I'm saying? Directed by Bennett, you know what I'm saying? Chief Keef back, you feel me? Like consistent, 2024? Let's see, you feel me? I didn't hear this, so let's see what type of banger they got.
I got, yeah, a lot of things in my brain.
The beat go off?
Lil Boat.
Hey, is this Sosa?
Chicago legend.
Who the fuck is you? Oh no, I just want you to explain something to me. Hey, explain your ass, nigga. I got some money on the way. Kill her with counters, then piss on that grave. The nigga don't get hit, don't. Kill her with counters, then. Hey, explain your ass, nigga. I got some money on the way. Kill her with counters, then piss on that grave. The nigga don't get hit, don't get grazed.
Damn.
I saw Superman, now you saved. Pussy before you eat, say your grace. You already know these bees, they not J's. I got her too high, she think she laced. I be on her head like a lace. Beamed up.
Yo, hold up, cause Lil Yachty and Chief Keef, bro, like I'm just trying to think about like what type of song is gonna come together with them together. You know what I'm saying? Like
Jeans, I ain't even beamed up. Bottega jeans, I ain't even. Bottega jeans, I ain't even. Bottega jeans, I ain't even wear 'em yet. Ain't walking in that bitch, they ain't pay me yet. She mad in the bed like you ain't slay me yet. Geekin', I'ma stake my DR bitch for Puerto Rican. 50 hoes flew in, we treat her Tuesday like the weekend.
damn.
Like you need me,
Bro, I don't care what people say, bro. People keep sleeping on Yachty like he don't got bars, bro. He don't consider himself as a rapper, you feel me? He still be spitting, you know what I'm saying? Like he still be making songs, bro. Like I don't know, bro. Like
50 hoes flew in, we treat her Tuesday like the weekend. Suck me like you need me, I'ma bless you like a deacon. Tell a nigga die, ain't gon' lie, this shit ain't even. Catch her while she leaking, she gon' absorb all the
yo, that beat crazy.
Worry about your streaming, all that reaching. I got some money on the way. Kill her with counters, then piss on that grave. The nigga don't get hit, don't get grazed.
That boy different with the grills.
Superman, now you saved. Pussy before you eat, say your grace. You already know these bees, they not J's.
They got Big Shot in this.
I got her too high, she think she laced. I be on her head like a lace. I'm with my crew, win or lose. They on my balls.
You heard, bro.
Them 100 bands, it crip blue. I'm in a Humvee with 6 troops. What you wanna do?
Damn.
Fist too.
Damn.
Gave your bitch a sip of the wrist juice. Hey, she melting all on.
Hold up. Give her a sip of the what?
Gave your bitch a sip of the wrist juice. Hey, she melting all on my wrist too.
Okay, I'm confused a little bit. Give her a sip of this, like the sweat on your arms. That's what I'm thinking. I go home do it. I'm a little slow.
But I'm an icy nigga, it's cool.
Okay.
I got
Damn.
some money on the way.
Bam. Gang. Bang bang. That's it? Oh shit. Alright, you feel me? Yo, yeah, this song was kinda, you know what I'm saying? It was good. It was good, you feel me? I rated a 8.5, you know what I'm saying? I feel like Chief Keef gotta come back, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Like he was before, man, you know what I'm saying? Maybe not with that gangsta shit and shit like that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, leave your comments down below, you feel me? And I'm out.
This shit don't be easy. Try to take it and put in this fliffy. No, I'm not moving with nobody iffy. Only fans you gon' see is the blickies.